Ating mga team bahay, thank you so much for tuning in here in Bukal Season 7. And of course, sa ating mga sponsors, Honorable Nathaniel Odocado, Nguyen Sons, HAP Pawn Shop, Elite Sportswear, maraming salamat po. And of course, our official media partner, the NXT Sports. Thank you very much. Now, bola ng USA Falcons. Batangas to Jimenez. Back to Jimenez. No good on that. A whistle was called here. And bola na po ito ng Morms Patriots. Now, Patriots basketball. Jersey number 19 taking its time. Passes to Padayo. Padayo atake. And bola pa rin ng Morms Patriots. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 is Poche. Back to Padayaw. Padayaw. And good on that. For jersey number 28 of the Junior Falcons, Agna. Galing nung last sequence si Agna. A really good conversion for the team. Naagaw pa rin po ng Falcons. And the ball possession is still on them. Now here's an update on the side of the both side. We have here our courtside reporter, Julie. Julie, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Kyla, from the sidelines, bringing you the highlights. Good afternoon, Bucalistas. We are live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our second game today. I am Juliana Gaporpalotan reporting from the side of the Morms Patriots. Kanina nga I had an interview with Coach Marfil at sabi niya nag-focus sila sa depensa at sa improvement ng skills. Inaasahan niya rin na magpapakita ng teamwork ang Morms kaya 100% confident sila ngayong hapon. Dagdag pa niya, he is expecting their captain ball jersey number 3 Bragas to step up today. Both teams are looking sharp and eager kaya naman let's see which team will set the tone early. Yan lang mula sa akin, balik sa'yo.
Last shot for Padayaw. Good on that. 1 out of 2 for Padayaw. Now, Jimenez with the ball. Dalawa po ang Jimenez dito sa USA Falcons. Ganda ng chemistry ng magkapatid na to. That's good. Assist ng kanyang kapatid. With that last sequence, Jimenez Nathaniel. Ang ganda ng communication at ng chemistry ng dalawang ito inside the court. Now, Nathaniel with the ball. Passes to Cisno. Cisno naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Andyan si Jimenez J. Back to back. 3 points for the USA Junior Falcons and courtesy kay Batangas. 5 out of 11. Another offensive rebound, but no good on that. Now we have here Lagonoy for the substitution. Now Batangas, inbound. Nathaniel to Jaden. Back to Batangas. We can hear Coach Tupe here. And a whistle was called by our referee. Two seconds. Nathaniel. Napasobra. Now. Good. Offensive rebound for jersey number 22. Nathaniel, very aggressive on his play. We can see his defense here. At umikot pa itong si Batangas. Good on that spin move coming from Dante Batangas. Now we have your assist for the Morms Patriots. A block. Di pa rin naagaw. And that's a turnover. Bola na ng Morms Patriots. Now, good on that. Fake pass. That's good. 3-pointers for jersey number 2 of the Morms Patriots. Bola na po ngayon ng USA Falcons. Nathaniel Jimenez. Passes to jersey number 28, Agna. Back to Batangas. No good on that jumper. Heavily guarded here. Si jersey number 2 ng Patriots. Batangas to Jimenez. Back to Agna. Agna for that layup. No good. Atake. Another 2-point conversion on the Morms Patriots. Now we have here Jimenez for the USA Falcons. 2 minutes and 57 seconds in our first quarter. Batangas for 3. No good. Now, Morms Patriots. Pradas. Nabitawan. Nakuha pa rin ni jersey number 1. Now, jersey number 3. Regalado. Jersey number 1. Ang ganda ng mga pasa nila dito. But on the offensive, wala pa rin. Jimenez for the USA Falcons. And the whistle was called. Substitution for the Falcons, Mendoza, Morales, and Bato is in for the Junior Falcons. Let's see if ano ang kanina magiging contribution dito. Razal for the Patriots is in as well. Together with Pagaduan ng Morms Patriots. Let's see kung ano kanina magiging contribution dito. Now, USA Junior Falcons, Morales for 3. No good. Now, jersey number 6. Regalado, no good on that. Layup. Batangas nagmamadali. Ang ganda nun. A fast break coming from Batangas. 1 minute and 29 seconds here on our first quarter. Jersey number 22 passes to Regalado. Now, that's a traveling violation for the Patriots. Substitution for the Patriots. We have here Mataba. Bato. Pass to Batangas. Batangas for 3. That's good. Sunod-sunod na point conversion ang pinapakita dito ni Batangas. What a game for him. 50 seconds remaining. 12 out of 18. 6 points ang Kalamangan. I mean, 4 points. 6 points pala. Sorry. Now we have here Regalado on the feature line. Now Regalado on the feature line. No good. 39 seconds. 5 ang Kalamangan dito ng Falcons. Batangas communicating with his team for the last 28 seconds. Jersey number 15. That's good for Lazal of the Patriots. 3-pointers for him. Two seconds. And that's the end. That's the end of our first quarter, 16 to 18. 2 puntos lamang po ang Kalamangan ng Junior Falcons. Magbabalik po kami after our short break. Back to the ball game. We are now in our second quarter. 16 to 18, 2 puntos po ang Kalamangan dito ng Falcons. Now, second quarter. Batangas for the USA Falcons. Pass to Agna. Heavily guarded by the Patriots. 3-pointers for the USA Junior Falcons. Lamang na po sila ng 5 points. Regalado for the jumper. That's good. Pasok na pasok ang jumper nitong si Regalado. Foul was called here. Now Morales with the ball for the free throw line. That's good. USA Falcons. Now, bola na ng Junior Falcons pero nakuha pa rin yon. And good on that conversion. Now, heavily guarded itong si Morales. Batangas. Nabetin itong si Batangas. Automatically, ball possession na ng Morms Patriots. Napasobra ng pasa. Good on that for jersey number 9. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 6. Now, jersey number 15. And no good on the 3-pointers. Now, to give us an update on the side of the both team, we have here our court reporter, Julie. Julie, anong balita dyan?
Maraming salamat, Kyla. Slow start, maybe. Finish strong, for sure. Nagsisimula pa lamang pero bakbakan na agad at mabilis ang nagiging palitan ng bola. Kitang-kita rin ang determinasyon ng dalawang koponan, but the Morms are showing strong defense and strong rebounds. May bitaw, kumbaga. The players are hungry for the lead at feel na feel ang intensity kahit second quarter pa lamang. Kaya naman stay tuned for more live actions. Back to the panel.
Update on the side of the both team. Now, Patriots. Padaya with the ball. Communicating with his teammate. Andyan si Poche for 3 and no good. And basket plus a foul. Now, timeout. 7 minutes and 6 seconds in our second quarter. Batiin naman natin ang ating mga team bahay. Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 7. And of course, our sponsors, we have here Honorable Nathaniel Odocado, Nguyen Sons, HCP Pawn Shop, and Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po. And of course, our official media partner, the NXT Sports. Thank you so much po. And now, 22-25. Tatlong puntos lang po ang halamangan nitong Falcons. Now, Regalado on the future line. No good on that first attempt. Now, bola na ng Falcons. Batangas. Gandang screen nun. Gonzales. Passes to Agna. To Bato. Oh. Shot clock violation. Bola na ng Patriots. 6 minutes and 42 seconds in our second quarter. 22-25 ang ating score. Now, Padayaw. Batangas. Now, Batangas on the feature line. Now, Poche. Have been regarded here. Passes to Padayaw. Padayaw back to Poche. Now, Padayaw for 3. That's good for Padayaw. Now, we have here Batangas for the Junior Falcons. Tabla na po ang ating score. Batangas, no good on the 3-pointers. 19 seconds to shoot. No good on that jumper coming from Regalado. Jersey number 22. Back to Poche. Sayang, niluwa pa. Pushing foul for this. Now, we have here Opeña, Jimenez, Jaden, and Jimenez Nathaniel is in for the Junior Falcons. Substitution. And a timeout was called by the coach of the Patriots. Jersey number 29, Padayaw. Pasok na pasok. What a good conversion coming from Padayaw. Jimenez to Batangas. Batangas. And he will be given here a free throw opportunity. Batangas. Good on his first attempt. Two out of two for Batangas. 4 minutes and 42 seconds on our time. 28 to 27, change favor. Lamang na ang Patriots. Pagaduan to Padayaw for 3 again. No good. Now substitution for the Patriots. Jimenez, Nathaniel. Heavily guarded by Padayaw, and a whistle was called for Pagaduan. A pushing foul for Pagaduan. Now we have here Batangas on the free throw line. Four minutes and 18 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa po ang ating laro for this afternoon. We can tell dahil pag fourth quarter doon natin malalaman. Dahil ngayon pa lang nga na first half, dikit na ang laban. No good. That's good for jersey number 10 of the Patriots. Now Jimenez to Morales. Mendoza. And basket count for Mendoza with a foul. Ang gandang layup nun from Mendoza. Mendoza. No good on his attempt for the free throw. Padayaw nagmamadali. Heavily guarded by Jimenez. Good on that layup coming from Padayaw. Now Jimenez with the ball, passes to Mendoza. Mendoza to Agna. Agna taking his time. Jumper. No good. Bola na po ng Patriots. We have here Padayaw to Pagaduan. And the steal for the Falcons. Too much pass coming from Opeña. Jersey number 9 to Padayaw. Padayaw. Borja. Bang! That's good! Coming from jersey number 9 of the Patriots. Karoon tayo ng komosyon. And good. Wala naman nagkasakitan for that last sequence. Batangas is in again for the Falcons. Now we have here Jersey number 15 to inbound. Padayaw na dapa, sayang, pero nakuha niya pa rin yun. Padayaw with that move. Still coming from Jimenez, Jaden. And that's good. Basket plus a foul for Jalen Jimenez. Kung kanina si Nathaniel ang nagpapaula ng tres, ngayon, another conversion coming from his brother, Jaden Jimenez. Ang gandang layup noon from Jaden Jimenez. Pagaduan to Padayaw. Back in the inside. Still. Now Batangas with the ball. What a defensive. Wow. Everyone, that is Dante Batangas. Grabe yun. Grabe yung last sequence na yun. Nasamahan pa ng foul. So he will be given here a feature opportunity. 35-33. Lamang po ng 2 puntos dito ang Patriots. And now magkakaroon pa ng opportunity si Batangas. And good on that attempt. 35-34. 1 minute and 48 seconds in our second quarter. Mataba passes to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. No good on that attempt. Mendoza. Ang gandang pasa nun kay Jimenez. Jimenez sa atake. Jaden and nakuha niya pa rin Mendoza for 3. No good. Morms Patriots basketball. Nabitawan ni Mataba. What a good communication and chemistry for the Patriots. Ang ganda ng ball rotation for this team. Now, Nathaniel Jimenez passes to his brother Jaden. Jaden to Nathaniel. Ang ganda ng depensa ng dalawang magkapatid na ito. Mendoza for 3. No good. Nakuha pa rin yan ni Batangas to Jimenez. Back to his brother. And no good. Bola na po ng Patriots. Jersey number 1 passes to Mataba. Mataba to jersey number 5. Good on that for jersey number 19. And that's the end of our second quarter. 39-34 lamang po ng 5 puntos dito ang Morms Patriots. Let's see kung ano ang gagawing pagbawi ng USI Junior Falcons, and we will be right back after our short break. Only here at Bukal Season 7, be the inspiration.
For the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
When it comes to safety and security, we got you covered.
Because here at the University of Nueva Cáceres, College of Criminal Justice Education,
from the crime scene to the courtroom,
To protecting and saving lives.
in times of emergency and disasters.
Making them excellent communicators of safety and security, competent crime and incident report writers, skilled investigators, and well-disciplined student aiming for national standards. Pioneering in EOD and K-9 training in the country, the only school to have immersion program at National Police Training Institute, Region 5, University of Nueva Cáceres.
Back to the ball game. We are now in our second half, third quarter. We will read first the halftime analysis for the scores. Patriots got 39 and the USI got 34 for the first half of the game. For their field goals, 16 out of 41 for the Morms Patriots, 13 out of 34 naman for the USI Junior Falcons. For the free throws, 2 out of 5 dito sa ating Morms Patriots and 4 out of 10 for the USI Junior Falcons. Overall rebounds, both defensive and offensive, 23 for the Morms Patriots and 14 for the USA Falcons. For the assists, 7 for the Morms and 4 for the USA Falcons. For the blocks, 0 dito sa Morms and 1 for the USA Falcons. For the points of turnover, 3. Mas malaki ang turnover dito nitong Morms Patriot, 8 for them and 6 for the USA Falcons. For the second chance points, 7 for the Morms Patriots and 5 for the USA Falcons. And matutunghayan na po natin ngayon ang second half of this game, 41-36, 8 minutes and 30 seconds in our time. Now, Batangas with the ball. Heavily guarded. No good on that layup from Morales. But nakuha pa rin niya ni Jaden Jimenez. Nakakalito po itong dalawang magkapatid. Same na same ang kanilang feature. But now, para makahingi tayo ng update for the both side, let's call our courtside reporter, Julie. Julie, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Kyla. Fresh from the halftime, and I'll be reporting from the side of the USI Falcons. During timeouts, their coach reminded the team na mas mag-e-enjoy sila sa laro kung tama ang ginagawa nila. Kaya dapat ipasiguro ang bawat tira, ang bawat pasa, at dapat kontroladong rebound lang. Dagdag pa ni coach, kailangan din ng proper timing. Dikit ang puntos, pero laban kung laban, palag kung palag. Watch closely as the Falcons locks in to make a statement this afternoon. Back to the panel.
For that update for the both side. 44-38, 7 minutes and 46 seconds in our time. Jimenez to the ball. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Jaden. Back to Morales. USA Basketball. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Pero tinira na lang yun ni Morales, but no good on that. Now, oops. Jersey number 4. No good on that attempt. Morales to Batangas. That's good. Good on that layup coming from Dante Batangas. 44-40. Lamang lang ng 4 na puntos ang Patriots. At pumasok pa yun. Good on that for the Patriots. Batangas with the ball. Passes to Cisno. Back to Batangas. Nagmamadali. Agna. No good on that. Rebounded here by the Patriots. Ang ganda ng depensa nitong si Jaden. Sumasabay sa height nitong Morms Patriots. What I can see is Jaden is really good on defense. At ito namang si Nathaniel, he is really good also in offense para sa convert ng points for their team. Batangas. Good on the jumper. Pasok na pasok. Itong si Batangas walang mintis. He is really good with his performance here all throughout the season. Poche to jersey number 1. Good on that for Jaden Jimenez. Kasasabi ko lang kanina that he is really good on defense, and now he's telling me na magaling din ako sa opensa. What a game for this afternoon. Papainit ng laro itong magkapatid na Jimenez. Now, good on that for jersey number 1. Libreng-libre. 49-45 po. 4 points na lamang po. 51-45. 6 points na lamang po dito ang kalamangan ng Patriots. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Now, Batangas to inbound. Passes to Morales. Back to Agna. Batangas. No good on the 3-pointers. And a whistle was called. Bola na ng Patriots. 51-45, 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Padayaw to inbound. Offensive foul. Nathaniel Jimenez. Now, jersey number 3. Good on that layup. 53-45. Lumalaki na naman po ang kalamangan ng Patriots. USA Falcons should be consistent on their play, on their offense and defense. Batangas heavily guarded. Back to Menes Nathaniel. Now Batangas again. Naagaw ng Patriots. And that's good for jersey number 22 of the Mons Patriots. Basket plus a foul. 55-45. 2-digit na po ang kalamangan ng Patriots. And at timeout was called here. Let's see if anong gagawing pagbawi ng Falcons dito sa lumalamang na score ng Patriots. So let's see kung ano ang kanilang magiging play at diskarte dito, knowing that 3 minutes and 2 seconds na lamang ating third quarter. And hindi pwedeng lumamang itong kanilang opponent dahil pag nagdire-diretso ito, mahihirapan na silang habulin ang score ng kanilang kalaban. So let's see if ano ang gagawing pagbawi dito ng Junior Falcons after their huddle with Coach Tope. No good on that. Jersey number 8, Mataba. Now Mendoza on the future line. Good on that for Mendoza. Nakakonvert siya ng another point for his team. Padayaw. Back to jersey number 3. Another 3-pointers, but no good on that. A whistle was called for Mendoza. Padaya will be given here a free throw opportunity. Now, Batangas. 2 minutes and 23 seconds in our third quarter. And that's a foul for Agna. Offensive foul for Agna. Now we have a jersey number 3 with the ball. Attempt, no good on that. Padaya passes to jersey number 3. Now substitution. Jimenez. And what? 3-pointers again coming from Nathaniel Jimenez. Ang ganda nun. Are really helpful for the team. 8 points na lamang kanilang hinahabol. Na ipasok pa rin and lamang na naman ng 10 points itong Patriots. They need to strategize, double their effort. They really need to catch up for their team. Batangas is down with that last sequence. Coach, the assistant coach of the Falcons is asking for a review here. So, coach's challenge. Let's see if it is successful or unsuccessful. So, antayin po natin ang magiging desisyon ng ating referees. Two shots for Dante Batangas of the Falcons. Good on that, coming from Batangas. 58 seconds in our third quarter. Padayaw. Oh, what a good communication. A good rotation. Ang gandang pasa no. Nakakonvert pa rin ng 2 puntos. 62-51. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng Patriots. 27 seconds. Kailangan nila makakonvert ng point dito. But it is out of bounds. Napasobra ng pasa. 21 seconds remaining. Padayaw communicating with this team. Good on that jumper. Dante Batangas. Good on that. And that's the end of our third quarter. We'll be right back for our last and final quarter only here in Bacau Season 7. Be the inspiration. Back to the ball game. We are now in our final quarter. 64-51. Lamang ng 13 points itong ating Morms Patriots. Pagaduan. Everyone, the USA Junior Falcons should do something about it. Dahil sa sunod-sunod na point conversion, yan ang sinasabi ko, sunod-sunod na point conversion ng Morms Patriots, they should do something about it para makahabol pa dahil alam natin gusto nila na manalo for this afternoon. They need to double their effort. Mahaba-haba pa po ang fourth quarter. Makakahabol pa sila. They need to be determined. They need to be eager here na maipanalo ang laban this afternoon. Batangas. Good on that. No good on that attempt. Shot clock violation din for them. Jersey number 10, another point conversion. Easy 2 points for jersey number 10 of the Patriots. Now, Batangas. A whistle was called. And mabibigyan dito ng free throw opportunity itong si Batangas of the Junior Falcons. Now, Patriots basketball. Now, there's an update on the side. I mean, for the both team, we have here our courtside reporter, Julie. Julie, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Kyla. Fourth quarter in and it's really time to lock in. Sabi nga ni Coach, dagdagan ng puwersa, huwag sumuko at bawi lang ng bawi. Win or lose, the Junior Falcons showed their determination, embodying their tagline, onward, forward. Once again, this is Bacau Season 7, be the inspiration. Back to the panel.
It's for the both side. Now, 68 to 57, 7 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Malaki-laki pa po ito, mahaba-haba pa ang oras. So, malalaman natin maya-maya lamang kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo for this afternoon. Will the USA Falcons bounce back for this team or mag-continue ang momentum nitong Morms Patriots? No good on that. Pero natawagan ito ng foul ang Patriots, and Agna of the Falcons will be given here a free throw opportunity. Seven minutes and 16 seconds, 70 to 59. 11 points ang kalamangan ng Patriots. They need to be aggressive now. Double their effort on defense and offense. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Kailangan nila ng ganong aggressiveness to really get this game. Mataba. No good on that. Layup. Whistle was called. And the ball possession is still on the Morms Patriots. Patawag ng timeout ang coach ng Morms Patriots. Let's see if ano ang kanilang gagawin after their huddle. So, please tune in. At maya-maya lamang po matutunghayan natin ang dalawang napakalaking laro for this afternoon. Big games po tayo mamaya for the seniors division. For our third game, we have the UNC Greyhounds will go head-to-head against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And for our last game, mamaya po yung 4:30 p.m., maghaharap muli ang USI Falcons at ang NCF Tigers. Kaya manatiling nakatutok dito sa aming Facebook page because napaka-intense ang mangyayari mamaya for sure. It will be a very, very good game for the both team. So, abangan po natin yan maya-maya lamang. After po nito, 2:30 p.m., simula na ng Seniors Division, UNC and Ateneo. And for the last game, USI and NCF. But now, let's back to the ball game. Regalado nakuha ang bola. Passes jersey number 22. And that's a traveling violation for the Patriots. No good on that for Batangas. Mataba with the ball. Heavily guarded here. Head coach challenge. Let's see if ano ang magiging decision dito ng ating referees. 6 minutes and 9 seconds for our final quarter. Ano kaya ang magiging desisyon dito ng ating referees for that coaches challenge? But before that, batiin pala muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have here Honorable Nathaniel Odocado, Ngo & Sons, HEP Pawn Shop, and Elise Sportswear. Maraming salamat po. And of course, our official media partner, the NXT Sports. Thank you so much. And of course, our Bukal Season 7 student volunteers, maraming salamat po sa inyong serbisyo. Of course, our cameramans, ang ating media team, maraming salamat po. Kuya Froy at Jolex, maraming salamat po sa inyong serbisyo. Shout out po sa inyo. Kuya Board, shout out sa iyo na nasa taas ngayon. And of course, the NXT Sports, thank you so much po for your service here in Bukal Season 7. Siyempre po, si Ma'am Chen na naandito sa atin ngayon. Ma'am Chen, shout out sa iyo. Thank you so much for your service here in Bukal Season 7. Of course, our statisticians, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At sa ating team bahay, manatiling nakatutok lamang po dito sa Bukal Season 7 dahil kaabang-abang po ang ating mga susunod na laro for this afternoon. Medyo matagal ang pag-review ng ating referees. Malalaman natin maya-maya lamang kung anong kanilang magiging desisyon dito. Ayan na. May desisyon na po ang ating referees. Let's see if what would it be. Head coach challenge successful for the USA Junior Falcons. Bola na nila ngayon. Now Mendoza to inbound. Passes to Batangas. 70-59, 6 minutes and 2 seconds. Batangas sa atake. Back to Mendoza. No good on that. Mataba. For 3. No good. Now, Batangas with the ball for the Falcons. Heavily guarded here. Sayang bitin. Jersey number 28. No good on that jumper. Jimenez with the ball. Passes to Agna. Back to Batangas. No good on the 3-pointers. 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Regalado. That's a foul. Jersey number 2. Agna with the ball for the Falcons. Libreng-libre sana yun. Sayang. Walang bantay on the inside. Sayang. Sunod-sunod na offensive rebound sana for their team. Good. Still coming from Morales. I mean Bato. Batangas. That's a foul. Bato with the ball. Batangas. No good on that layup. Sayang nun. Naghahabol sila dito ng score dahil they are stuck on 59. Jersey number 1. Padayaw. Back to jersey number 2. Jersey number 1 for 3. No good. Rebounded by jersey number 2 pero wala pa rin. Now Batangas with the ball. For 3. No good for Batangas. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Jersey number 22 for the jumper. No good. Basket count 74-59. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng Patriots. 2 minutes na lamang ang bakbakan na ito. Sayang ng mga chances nitong Falcons. Batangas to inbound. Pass to Bato. Good. Basket counts for the Falcons 61-74. 1 minute and 51 seconds. They can still do something on it. Hanggat hindi pa nagpa-final buzzer, lahat pa may pag-asa. Yan nga ang sabi ng ating mga basketball enthusiasts. So don't underestimate the team. Kapag sila ay wala sa momentum, mahaba-haba pa ito. But, malaki-laki na po kasi dito ang kalamangan ng Morms Patriots. Nice. Good on that for Bato. Nice shot for him. Another point conversion for the team. 11 na lamang kanilang hinahabol. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Jersey number 3 for that jumper. No good. We have here jersey number 9. Ow! All goods. $52 seconds in our time. 74-63. Sismo, good on that. $52 seconds remaining. 37 seconds. Padayo for 3. No good. That's a traveling violation for the Patriots. Pradas. 5 seconds and the Morms Patriots got another win for this afternoon. Congratulations on their team for winning against the USA Junior Falcons for the second round of the elimination, 74 to 65. Congratulations to them. And of course, sa ating USA Junior Falcons, congratulations also on their effort. At alam nating lumaban sila hanggang dulo. But for now, nanalo ang ating Morms Patriots. Maya-maya lamang po makakasama na natin at makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here in Bukal Season 7 B, The Inspiration. Mark David. What an exemplary performance coming from the Morms Patriots. Kasama na nga natin ang ating best player of the game. And our sponsor for today is the Ngo and Sons. Our best player of the game is jersey number 22 with 13 points and 9 rebounds. And none other than Mark David Moraleda. Hello Mark, congratulations on your win against the USA Falcons. Ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon na ikaw ang ating best player of the game at mag-uwi kayo ng panalo sa inyong school for tomorrow?
Sobrang happy po kasi first time ko lang po na best player sa ganitong game and sa first time makapasok sa season na ito.
And of course, Mark, since sabi mo nga ito ang iyong first time, matanong lang kita, ano ba ang preparation mo bago ka pumunta dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium na nakatulong sa iyo para galingan mo in your performance for today?
Step up lang po sa aming training and marinig kay coach po.
Makinig lang kay
Makinig lang
coach.
po kay coach.
And of course, dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na ang mga gusto mong batiin.
Shoutout nga po pala sa kapatid ko na si Jericho Moraleda. Salamat sa support and sa pamilya ko at salamat po kay Ma'am Gemma Unoco sa support at kay coach sa pagtiwala sa amin.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, everyone. That is our best player of the game from the Morns Patriot, jersey number 22, Mark David Moraleda. Magbabalik po kami after our short break. There you have it, everyone. Yun po ang ating best player of the game. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok at nanonood for our second game for today. Pakaabangan po ang ating sunod na laro. It is the Seniors Division. UNC Greyhounds will go head-to-head against the Ateneo Golden Knights only here in Bukal Season 7. Be the inspiration.